Milestone School. Suddenly, a riot tore through the sky. A jet came rushing like a messenger of death. Hello everybody. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Zahid in front of you. How are you all? I hope you are fine. I am also doing great. I want to give thanks my honorable teachers, honorable judgment and my dear audience. I would like to say something about dreams burnt in the flames. It was a morning, peaceful, bright, full of dreams. In the courtyard of Milestone School, children were writing the stories of their future. Suddenly, a riot tore through the sky. A jet came rushing like a messenger of death. In a heartbeat, an explosion, fire, and smoke. The air shook with cries and screams. 34 lives gone. Hundreds of dreams burned to ashes. And yet, in the middle of the flames and smoke, stood a mother, a teacher, Meherin Chaudhary. Risking her own life, she saved more than 20 children. She never returned, but she left behind an immortal mark of sacrifice. My friends, this blood, this sacrifice never be in vain. We vow our children will be safe. Our schools will be gardens of dreams, not traps of death. May the dreams burned in Milestone fire awaken us today to humanity, to responsibility, and to love. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you very much.